was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the winds. He broke his own heart and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception.
You can trust me. My dad will never know. I won't tell him anything.
Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts. And we've got to find other ways to make it alone or keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, keeping a comfortable distance. And up until now, I had sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. And you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception.
You don't know anything about Alice either. She's kind.
I'm not gonna have this discussion.
She's nice to me.
I don't care what she is.
I've got a tight grip on reality, but I can't let go of what's in front of me here. I know you're leaving in the morning when you wake up. Leave me with some kind of proof it's not a dream. You are the only exception. 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 And you are the only exception. You are the only exception. And I